Myntri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEG. Henne kasngi ulayathu baka sorkar kala Ithuh ya ke Jaka bantai ya ke Veterinary Hospital ha apa Shillong. Kani ke Jaka bathamai kan ajing sumar ke babenia ya ki merat baper. Kumba ka long menta kanong ba kadon ya ke Jaka sumar merat ke barit ka ba ai tang ya ke jing syakri UPD. Ya ke Bynta beningkong jong kani ke hospital entei ha ke jing lut ka ba live ar keluar tingka. Uba hek ula ong ba ke jing tre ya ke ke projek kan sedang shen watla ula kentai ya ke jing keno ba kadon ke jing duna doktor bat ke jing duna dawai ha ke veterinary dispensary ka baladon lepa halum deng jiri.
I don't believe that anybody is going there at the directorate where we have the not exactly the hospital, but we have a kind of dispensary where we been taken care for all the animals, not all the animals, but at least for the pets animals. So they've been taken care there. I have not received any complaint from anyone also. They're complaining that they do not have rest. Maybe from other dispensary or other clinic, I cannot say to other district. But here in the directorate, I have not received any complaints so far.
Myntri rang ba